my business people. Welcome back again to Grace's Word, where Grace speaks. Okay, real quick. We're gonna be talking about the process or steps involved in recording. Remember that the accounting practice practically starts with recording. Okay, starts with recording. So, in the last video, we said what recording is, and we listed the books used in recording. You can go check the channel for the video to know all of this. Or yeah, okay. Now today we will be quickly running through the steps involved in recording of transaction. Okay, and the very first step we have on the list is identifying the transaction. Identifying the transaction that occurred. Okay, is it a sale transaction? Is it was it purchases? Was it a return? Was it cash? Was it a credit transaction? Was it a non-cash transaction? Okay. Also, I would also be talking about the types of transaction in later video. But for now, just know that the first thing you have to do is identify what kind of transaction occurred. Okay. Now, the number two thing you have to do is determine the exact amount of money that was involved in the transaction. Determine the exact amount of money that was involved in the transaction. Also, determine if there were any discounts involved, if there are any discounts involved, if there are any taxes involved, and then know the value. The exact amount is the value of the transaction. Excuse me. Then if you give a discount, or if you receive a discount, it is what you paid, or what you are to pay, or what you're to receive for the transaction. Okay. Now then, when you've got that out of the way, the next thing is to establish the accounts that were involved in the transaction. Okay. If you identify it as a sales transaction, then it's most likely that it involves sales and cash. But then if the sales was made on credit, then it will involve sales and a debtor. Okay, the person owing you. Like I said, debts and debtors are not the same thing. Still gonna come to that in later video. Okay, so establishing the accounts involved in the transaction. When you're done with that, then using the books we already talked about, you begin to record. You record appropriately in the book that requires the transaction. Okay, does that make sense? Using the journal proper, or the general journal, and it is a sales and credit transaction, the accounts involved will be a sales and a debtors account. Of course, the debtor has to have a name, because you can't just sell to nobody on credit. Okay, so you use the name of the debtor's account in recording the transaction. Alright, my lovely people, we've taken too much time today already, but that'll be all for today. See you next time. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, hello, what are you waiting for? Come on, do that right now. Just subscribe right now. It doesn't take that much time. It doesn't take a minute, okay? Turn on the notification bell so you're notified as soon as a new video is released. Invite your friends to watch, like, comment, and share, and do all of that, so I'd feel motivated to come back next time. Until then, see ya, and keep having profitable businesses. Bye.